Hi everyone, it's Loretta and I have a card share for you. This is mainly for a group online on Facebook called Designing Divas, and this is an Easter card swap. I wanted to share some of the cards that are going to be going into the mail. Most of these use stamps from Pink and Maine or from Doris. The sentiments for the most part are from Simon Says Stamp. The first image is just this cute little bunny holding her flower pot. I tried to use just very simple card sketches. These cute little tulips, I love this sketch. This is really adorable. One of the reasons I like it is it's a very simple design. It makes that focal image really pop out. This one I need to fix. It's come up a little bit. I'll just be using some glossy accents or some tape to fix that. Here's that little bunny again, different sketch. Very simple layout. This image is from Pink and Maine, and this bunny is from Doris. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a thumbs up and share my videos on your social media. Thanks so much, everyone. Stay happy and be a blessing. Bye for now.